Very good. So we're going to talk about system of linear equations and connection of system of linear equations with matrix multiplication. So suppose you have a system of linear equations given to you as a1 and 1, the very first element, the very first number, times the very first variable, x1, plus a sub 1 and 2, x2, plus a sub 1 and 3, x3, equals to b sub 1. This is your very first equation. It represents a plane because it has 1, 2, 3 variables. Then let's move on to the second plane. A sub 2, 1, x1, plus a sub 2, 2, x2, plus a sub 2, 3, x sub 3 equals to b sub 2, another plane for you. And here you have the very last equation, a sub 3, 1, x1 plus a sub 3, 2, x2 plus a sub 3 and 3, x sub 3 equals to b sub 3. A system with 3 variables. What are the variables? x1, x2, and x3. And you have a lot of numerical values. And then you have some constants, b1, b2, and b3, with 3 equations. 3 equations of planes. These are what you learned in calculus. There's nothing new here. So we're going to convert this guy into the multiplication of matrices. So we're going to write the coefficient matrices as a sub 1, 1, a sub 1, 2, a sub 1, 3, a sub 2, 1, a sub 2, 2, a sub 2, 3, a sub 3, 1, a sub 3, 2, a sub 3, 3. This is your coefficient matrix. We're going to represent this guy by matrix A. Coefficient matrix. Well, we're going to have the variables. Just note that here you have a 3 by 3 matrix. So if you want to multiply this by a new matrix representing the variables, that guy must have 3 rows. So here you have a matrix with 3 rows, and since you have just 3 variables, it's going to be a column matrix, a 3 by 1 matrix, x1, x2, and x3. Remember, in matrix multiplication, the number of columns of the first matrix must be the same as the number of rows of the second matrix. And this guy is called a column matrix because it's just one column. We're going to represent this guy by x, representing variables. So you have a times x. On the right-hand side, it must be equals to a matrix of 3 rows and 1 column. The output matrix multiplication is 3 by 1 matrix. So for sure, this is going to be another column matrix, a 3 by 1 matrix with only constants b1, b2, and b sub 3. So this guy is equal to b. So a system of linear equations in shorthand and nice compact form is written as ax equals to b. Ax equals to b represent this complicated looking system of equations. This represents a system of equations. Nicer format, compact format, shorthand.